What if I told you you could slash your electric bill by up to 65%? Not with a $20,000 rooftop system, but with a simple solar setup that fits in just 10 square feet of your backyard? This isn't science fiction, it's real. It's working right now for thousands of homeowners just like you. 2 years ago, a storm knocked out the power, and an intruder broke into my home. I was helpless. No lights, no phone, no way to call for help. That night changed everything. I realized relying on the grid is a gamble, and paying sky-high bills to power companies, that's no way to live. So I asked, what if there was a better way? No roof work, no permits, no $20,000 loan. Just a smart, vertical design that captures maximum sunlight in a fraction of the space. I built mine for under $200, and within 1 month, my bill dropped by over half. Now I'm sharing the exact step-by-step blueprint, so anyone can build it. Even if you've never held a power tool, even if you only have a balcony, you'll get the full video guide. Watch once, build in a weekend. Bonus reports, store extra power, protect against blackouts, even survive an EMP. 12 months of direct support, ask me anything, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Zero risk. This isn't about going off-grid. It's about taking back control. Your money, your safety, your peace of mind. For less than $40 today, you can start saving hundreds, even thousands, every single year. Don't wait for the next blackout. Don't wait for the next bill shock. Click below. Watch the video. Build your system. Your smarter, safer, more independent future starts now.